Text messages, you have to pay 1 cent for every text message that you sent of 160 characters or less. So this platform by itself allows you to capture these identities, and now you, as a business owner, are in control of your own destiny. I am now gonna show you guys inside the ManyChat platform. This is ManyChat right here, and in order for you guys to understand ManyChat, I'm gonna just break down the different areas of it. One of the first things that you gotta do is you're gonna create an account. Now, I'll tell you that if you wanna go through my affiliate link, you can go to manuelsuarez.com/ManyChat. You can actually set up a free account, but once you want to get some things going, you're gonna have to pay a little bit of money to have all the capabilities of the platform. You're gonna be limited if you don't. I can tell you that you can have a free account up to 1,000 subscribers. So you can bring in 1,000 people into the platform and not pay anything, but anything above that, you're gonna have to have a paid account. But the other thing to note is that a lot of the things that I teach, that I talk about, are not going to be available if you don't have a paid account. So you can go to manuelsuarez.com/ManyChat, and that takes you straight to ManyChat.com for you to create your own account. So manuelsuarez.com/ManyChat. Okay, so once you go in there, if you are an admin of your Facebook page, if you are the one responsible for that Facebook page, you're gonna have the ability to connect that Facebook page to ManyChat. There's gonna be a few steps that you gotta get done. For example, if you go to the column over here on this side, okay, this section over here, that one of the first things that you gotta do, once you connect your Messenger bot, you're gonna connect your Facebook Messenger on it. You're gonna connect it. That's gonna allow you to start bringing people in that message your page on Facebook Messenger. If you go to settings over here, there's a couple of things that you gotta get done over here. And one of those things is getting your SMS set up and getting your email set up. It's very simple things to get done. You're gonna go over here to SMS, and you're gonna go over here to email. And once you go to SMS, you're gonna just accept a couple of things, and you're gonna be able to now send some messages. It's very simple to get that set up over here. Over here, you can see that there's a button that says disable or enable. Well, you're gonna enable that, and you're gonna just accept a couple of pop-up messages, and now you have the ability to also receive messages by a specific number. This one over here, you can see that I have a specific number assigned. That's the phone number that I have assigned over here. People can send me messages there, and I can also send messages out. So Facebook Messenger is free. You don't have to pay to send a message unless you're gonna do a paid promotion. Text messages, you have to pay 1 cent for every text message that you sent of 160 characters or less. Or you're gonna pay 2 cents for every text message that you sent that includes longer than 160 characters and images or something else like a GIF. If you do emojis, for example, you're gonna pay 2 cents for every message that you send out. But text-only messages is 160 characters, 1 cent per text message. That's gonna cost you money. On the email, the way that they have it set up right now is a 0.001 per email that you send out. So if you send 100 messages, well, that's gonna cost you 10 cents. Right? So this is something that you're gonna set up over here on these sides and on the settings. And you can see here that you're gonna have different options over here. For example, you have WhatsApp, you have Instagram, you have Messenger, you have integrations, you got email, you got your billing, and then you have apps that you can install to make things more friendly. For example, you can install Google Sheets on ManyChat. So that's a free app that you can install. If, for example, somebody comes in and gives you their email and their phone number, well, you can have Google Sheets connected, that information gets instantly added to a Google Sheet of your selection. Very simple. It becomes more of a CRM. Those of you guys that don't know, because you're not deep into marketing, what a CRM is, customer relation management software. So this platform by itself allows you to capture these identities, and now you, as a business owner, are in control of your own destiny. That's the beautiful thing about the platform. You are now in control of that conversation and that flow, and you can decide when to communicate to these people, when you have special announcements, special messages, flash sale deals, you want to generate more leads, you need more attention. You don't depend on the Facebook algorithm putting your message in front of people. You don't depend on Instagram liking you enough to feed you to your followers. That's the main difference over here. You get to control that relationship once you have them in this world.